Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one easy and interesting recipe which you guys can make it for roti or paratha or for idli and dosa. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make tomato chutney at your home. So for tomato chutney, what you need, here I have some fresh tomatoes and I'm going to chop these tomatoes into small pieces. So let's cut the tomatoes. Hey guys, take a kadai. So in this kadai, I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. So I added 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil becomes little bit hot, we have to add the mustard seeds, then curry leaves and the hing powder. And here I finished by cutting all the tomatoes. So in this I'm going to add some mustard seeds. And when the mustard seeds is started spreading, we have to add the methi seed, that is the fenugreek. Hey guys, here I am adding the fenugreek, that is the methi, and some hing powder. It gives a nice taste in this tomato chutney. And I am going to add 5 to 6 red chilies. So I added some 6 to 7 red chilies, guys. And in this I'm going to add all these chopped tomatoes. Here I added all the chopped tomatoes along with the red chilies, the mustard seeds, the methi seeds, everything. And you have to mix these things together. So along with the tomatoes, if you want, you can add some chopped 2 to 3 garlics, but I'm not going to add any garlic. So in this I'm going to add 1 to 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi, and some salt up to your taste. And here I'm going to add some salt, that is how much salt you want. And you can keep this tomato chutney for 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So here I added some salt, and after adding the salt, you have to mix. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes and my tomato chutney will be ready. And this is very easy recipe. Hey guys, after 5 to 7 minutes, it started becoming thick. Can you see the thick? And so as I said, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, so we have to mix in between, guys, otherwise it will burn. Hey guys, my tomato chutney is ready, and so it's time to switch off the flame. So this is ready, guys, and you can have, as I said, you can have this chutney with any roti or paratha or puri, idli and dosa. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make tomato chutney at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye. And I will show you in close up. So can you see? You see me. Bye.